What's the meaning of copy editor? Copy editor. Copy editor.
Copy editor. Copy editor. A copy editor is a professional who reviews and corrects written materials to ensure they are error-free, easy to read, and conform to specific style guides. Their primary responsibility is to identify and correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, and syntax errors. Additionally, they may be responsible for fact-checking, verifying sources, and ensuring consistency in language and formatting throughout a document. Ultimately, the role of a copy editor is to polish written materials and make them ready for publication, ensuring that they are clear, concise, and easy to understand for the reader.